So guys, for the first method, make sure that your printer is actually turned on, then you want to unplug it and then plug it back in again. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in services, click on it, and then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. And then once you're on this, you want to find print spooler, you want to double click on it, then you want to change the startup type to manual and then click on stop, which will then make the service status stopped and then click on OK. And now you want to head over to search again and type in File Explorer, click on it, and then once you're on this on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. You want to double click on it, and then click on Windows. Scroll down till you get to System 32. Scroll down, double click on System 32, and now you want to scroll down again till you find spool. It's going to be right here. Double click on this, and now we're going to double click on printers, and then continue. And then once you're on this, you want to delete everything in this folder. Just highlight everything and then delete it. Now you want to go back to services. You want to find print spooler, double click on it, change the startup tab to automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. This should now fix your problem. If that's still not working for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in find and fix problems with printing. Click on it, and then click on next. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it's going to try to fix it for you. And now for the last method, you just want to simply restart your computer. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.